American Red Cross and Triple Army Medical Center has a joint program, our Human-Animal Bond program, which is an animal-assisted activity program here in the facility for patients and staff.
He's
very happy. Yeah, you can hold him. Here.
You know, the Human-Animal Bonds program has a long history with the military. Back in the 1940s, were the initial with the Air Force, where they brought animals in.
It's nice to have little animals come in here and say hello to you. That's a big one though down there. It's a good thing, especially for even the younger ones.
There's been lots of studies that show that there's some great efficacy to bring the animals in, and they relieve stress. They've been shown to shorten hospital stays, and people reminisce. They feel good. Pets make them feel safe.
They take my mind off of just being in therapy, you know, just doctors and nurses and what's wrong with my head and stuff like that. And so I think that's very, very important.
There's something really stress relieving about a dog and being able to pet it and love on it, and it kind of reminds you of childhood. So it puts people back in a good place, as opposed to they're here because they're sick, they're here because they've got an injury or something, and it takes them away for a little while.
I know, look how fussy and pretty. And they're beautiful.
One of the things that is really cool about it is it's not just for our patients, because the staff actually gets to interact with the animals too.
Well, being a nurse can be a bit stressful with, dealing with patients that come in and trying to be really supportive for them. It can take a big toll on you emotionally. So it's great when the dogs come in because it really gives us a nice little break from some of the stresses that go along with the job, and it really picks us up, our day up.
The staff is one of the forgotten members of the healthcare team. And sometimes we forget that they've got a lot of stress on them as they're dealing with patients every day that are sick.
I know when I'm sitting in my office or sitting out here doing patient care, you kind of hear the little collars jingling, and you're like, oh my goodness, the dogs are here. And it kind of provides you a little picking up for the day to really kind of chip you up and keep the rest of the day going pretty well.
Having the animals come by and being able to just take a break for a second, sometimes get down on the floor and love on them, it really helps us as we relieve our stress.
Oh, they're wonderful.
Basically, all of our Red Cross volunteers come in with their precious pups, and they make visits to our patients that are in our clinic and our inpatient wards, as well as brighten up our staff's day.
Hi, I'm Judy, and this is Diego, my therapy dog, and we have been doing this for about 4 years, and we love it. We love the smiles that we get, and it's very satisfying.
Hi, I'm Tomo. This is Chaco. She's 5-year-old Shih Tzu. She has been a therapy dog at the Tripler Hospital for 3 years, and she enjoys coming here and making people happy, and she smiles and she doesn't want to leave.
Okay, I'm Joe Edwards. This is my dog Maggie. I'm a former Marine. I've worked for the airlines for the last 25 years, and this is our give back. And we'd like to come in and visit with the veterans, especially the PTSD unit and the kids, because it always makes them light up.
I've been here for 3 days, and having dogs out here make us feel comfortable. It makes us feel happy. Dogs are friendly. I love dogs.
They don't demand anything, they're just good.
All of our animals in the Human-Animal Bond program go through a very specific vetting process. We ensure that they're all receive a K9 Good certificate from any of our AKC certification facilities here on the island. They're also required to go through our vet out at Schofield Barracks for a temperament test as well as a medical evaluation to ensure that all their vaccines are current and up to date.
We're 100 and something miles away from our pups, which we spend every day with. And so it's good to have them. You want down? You want down? Go, mommy.
We love dogs. My wife loves dogs, and I can't imagine not having a dog.
They may have animals at home that they hadn't seen in days or weeks, and just to get to rub and interact with another pet does them a world of good.
No cats though, only dogs.